How to change or delete music on your Instagram post here on your website or on the Instagram application right now on your phone. For this, I will take a reference to the official Instagram website here on my browser and then click on my Instagram account. On the home page, you can see this is my Instagram profile, and I will simply go to my post section where I want to change the music or I want to delete it. To do this, you should click on your profile option here available on, let me just click on the profile, and then I will select a post which I want to change the music. Then you should click on the three dots here available on the post here on the top of the post. From this, you can click on the edit button. Let me just click that again. This is the edit option where you can edit your post, you can delete your post, you can turn off the commenting or anything with it. Whenever you will click on this edit option, you will see the option to change or to delete your music, or if not, you can delete your post and repost it. Thank you so much for watching this video.